Assalamu alaikum everyone. As we know, English is a compulsory subject for all competitive exams. In this video, we will learn from the basics. This video is for the beginners who want to make clear concept about English grammar and compositions. We will recommend this book, Wren and Martin. Let's begin with the grammar part of this book. Let's begin with the first topic, sentence. What is sentence? Sentence is group of words that make complete sense. That gives complete sense. According to their grammatical structure, there are three types of sentences. First one is simple sentence. Simple sentences are those sentences which contain at least one main class. One main class. Main class contains one subject and one verb. Compound sentences are those sentences which consist of more than one main class. That may be two or maybe three. Third one is complex sentences. Complex sentences are those sentences which contain at least one main class and one subordinate clause. Main clause and subordinate clause. According to their meaning, sentences are of five kinds. Five kinds of sentences according to their meanings. First one is assertive sentences. These sentences are actually a statement which may be positive and negative. These sentences contains actually narrations. Narrations. Only the statement about something like Ramesh is a tall boy, she's very clever, I'm going to school, etc. Second kind is interrogative sentences. These sentences are about questioning something, asking something. For example, are you going to school? Don't forget to remember question mark at the end of these sentences. Third kind of sentences are imperative sentences. Take a look at imperative sentences and see how they resemble with the imperial. Imperial related to kings and emperor. So these are related to commands, request, and entreaties. For example, if we say open the door, then this is a command in order. If we say please open the door, then it is a request. Next kind of sentences are exclamatory sentences. These sentences actually contain feeling of joy, sorrow, and wonder as we see what a beautiful scene it is. Remember the exclamatory sign at the end of sentence. Fifth kind of sentences are optative sentences. These sentences consist of wish or prayer. For example, may God bless you, may you live long.